Hello everyone, this is Abhishek. Hope everybody is doing good. Today I'm very excited because I'm recording my first video. Okay, so what is the topic of my first video? The topic of my first video is Python list comprehension. So we know about the list, but what is a list comprehension? List comprehension is a method of creating a new list using an existing list using a shorter syntax. That means it makes things simpler. I mean, if there's a multiple line code, it would execute most of those things within a single line. So how is that done? Okay, now for example, let me take you through this example. Now I have a list called fruits equals to apple, banana, and mango. If I ask you to pick only those fruit names whose names begin with alphabet A, so what are you going to do? You're going to save that into a new list. Let me declare the new list, an empty new list. Okay. Now I'm going to iterate using this particular list using follow for I in fruits. Yeah. Now after iterating, I'm going to check which all the fruit names begins with alphabet A. So what is that I'm going to use? I dot starts with alphabet A. If this condition is met, we'll append the output into the new list. Append. Okay. So we have the output now. Let's check. So this is without using list comprehension. Okay, let me print the output, which is new list one. Let me differentiate using the new line. Let me add a new line here. Yeah. Save this and run this. Okay. See, it says without using the list comprehension, the output is apple. So this is as it is. Okay. Now what have we done? We have used declared a new list. We used an for loop to iterate through the list fruits, and then we have put an if condition to check if any of the fruit names begins with the alphabet E, and then we have appended, if the condition is met, then we have appended that particular fruit name into the new list. So this is almost a 4-line code that what we have used. So using the list comprehension, I'm going to do all these 4 lines in a single line. So here is the syntax for the list comprehension. We're going to use a for loop to iterate through the list, and also you're going to put an if condition, and whatever the condition is met, the results will be saved. Yeah, and this is already within a list. Yep. So let me execute this using the list. Yeah. So let me new list 2. Okay. Let me create a new list. Now I'm gonna iterate through the list fruits for I in fruits. And I'm gonna put an if condition. If I dot starts with alphabet A. If the condition is met, my expression will be saved here. Simple. Now I'm gonna print this. Using list comprehension. I'm sorry for the spellings if there are any mistakes. New list 2. Yes, I have it. Okay, now let me save this and run this. Okay, here we go. Here we have the output. Without using the list comprehension, we have apple. That was the previous result. Using the list comprehension, we have apple. So the for loop was over here. Okay, in the without using the list comprehension, we declared the for loop, and that same for loop is also here. And we are checking an if condition. We have the same if condition over here, and we are saving the results. We are saving the results here within a list. So this is how, using the list comprehension, we can reduce the 4-line code into a single line. This is the use of the power of list comprehension. Hope this topic was helpful. Happy coding. Thank you.